My name is Darren Hart. I'm a Vice Principal with the Cowichan Valley International Student Program. Cowichan Valley is located on the west coast of Canada on Vancouver Island. We're a short 15-minute flight from Vancouver, BC. Our school district is located 20 minutes or an hour, outside of our capital, which is Victoria, British Columbia on Vancouver Island. We are a district of about 8,000 students. We have 5 main high schools. Our schools are located throughout our valley. Which is the population of our valley is about 80,000 people total. Cowichan Valley is a great place to come to study. We have a wide variety of courses, lots of options for students to participate in. We have a high value on academic excellence, strong math, English, sciences. We have a lot of elective opportunities for students to take part in. Students that come to the Cowichan Valley have an opportunity to participate in a wide variety of elective courses when they select to come to the Cowichan Valley. We also have a great emphasis on our homestay program. A lot of the program is focused on helping students not just at school but also become part of the community, part of the families that they are going to join when they're here. When students come to Vancouver Island, to the Cowichan Valley School District, they will become part of a local family. They will have a Canadian family when they're in Canada, as well as going to school. Family is a big part of our program. Our area is also very close to nature. A lot of our schools are located right in nature. Students will have an amazing opportunity to explore all of the neat things that the region has to offer. We're really excited to be working with Pacific Premier. We have several students from Pacific Premier studying with us in the Cowichan Valley. A lot of students come for different options of programs. We have 3-month programs, 4-month programs, we have half-year semester programs, and we have full-year programs. So we have a lot of different opportunities for students when they come to the Cowichan Valley. Students can choose the option they want. They can also change. Some students come for short programs and then end up staying for a longer period of time once they realize just how much they love being with the program.